do you think every Filipino's vote is important? Why?
Well, precisely important talaga kasi especially nowadays na kinakailangan natin ng greater people involvement, especially in matters concerning yung destiny o yung kapupuntahan ng ating bansa. Mas kinakailangan talaga na marami yung maging decision makers dito sa kakapuntahan natin. And if you're going to look at the Constitution, talagang ang pagpili naman or ang pag-elect ng isang kandidato is both a right and a privilege. So, technically, it's a privilege kasi hindi naman lahat po pwedeng bumoto. Diba may age requirement, diba so, and it's a right because guaranteed siya ng Constitution, sa suffrage yan. And of course, kinakailangan natin para ipahayag yung ating involvement, yung ating kakayahang magpasya, kung ano ba yung magiging estado ng ating bansa, ano ba yung magiging kapalaran, ano ba yung magiging kinabukasan natin. Lahat naman yan nakasalalay sa kamay natin at pinakamakapangyarihan ng tao kapag ka-election.
Sir, last po. What should the voters do in order to know that the candidate they're going to vote is the right one for the position?
Wala kasing hard and fast rule para malaman natin. Alam naman natin that in the campaign, no candidate will tell you their inefficiencies, yung mga mali sa kanila. Of course, campaigns is a way of marketing yourself, of bringing forth your best foot forward. So, you don't expect them to tell you na mga mali sila, may mga problema sa kanila. Of course, they will not get the votes. So, it will depend largely on the discernment, the judgment, and the capability of a voter to be properly informed and to properly decide as to how he could properly choose. Now, may mga parameters, may mga batayan naman para makita natin yan. Unang-una, syempre, yung track record niya. Okay, ano bang nagawa na niya so far? Ano bang mga posisyon na hinawakan niya previously? Ano bang mga accomplishments na nagawa niya for the country? So that will be one. Academic preparation, pwede rin yun. Or pwede na naman natin tignan yung overall yung pagkatao niya. Ano ba siya bilang ama, bilang ina, ano ba siya bilang isang kapatid, ano siya bilang isang tao. So para ito yung magiging gabay sa atin. Now, pwede rin tayong syempre kumuha ng informasyon mula sa social media, mula sa traditional media. Siguro ang punto rito is greater awareness, greater commitment towards trying to make yourself more knowledgeable about them and about what they can do and about their platforms. Especially nowadays, everything should be dependent on the agenda. Ano ba yung plataforma meron sila? Kasi kung ano yung plataforma na hinahain nila sa atin, ito yung magsisilbing framework ng kanilang governance. So, we need to know ano ba yung mapapala namin kapag ito ay titignan. So yun, ito yung mga sasabi natin batayan or guidelines for us to properly choose a candidate in the elections.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you po.